Hello, my name is Fabrizio Botero, Executive Chef for Waring, and we're at the movies. And what do you do at the movies? You have popcorn. Let's make it at home. Really, really easy. This is a 300-watt popcorn machine. It comes with the regular containers that measure the exact amount of oil and the exact amount of popcorn. We're going to start it, put it on, let's have some popcorn. I'm going to start it right now. Open the door. Go right in. We have a magnetic door that closes, removable serving tray, and I will show you everything the second the popcorn is finished. I can see it. It's starting to pop. Wow. Here we go. Look at that. And now, let me show you how easy it is. Magnetic door, removable for cleaning. Tray comes right out. What fun. You can eat right out of the tray, or you can put it in any bowl, your favorite bowl. And that's it.